Hello, techies. We are in lab 2.1.7 and we are going to reconnect to an Ethernet network. You are the network technician for a small corporate network. The employee in office 2 reported that they can no longer communicate with other workstations on the local network or the Ethernet. After troubleshooting the problem, you have determined that the built-in network card in the workstation has stopped working. So in this lab, your task is to select and install a new network card, connect the workstation to the local network using the existing cable, and after the fix has been implemented, confirm that the network station has connection to the local network. So this is task 2.1.7. So let's start up. If this video appears to be too fast for you all, I'm sorry about that. You can always pause the video and work at your own pace. I'm trying to make this video as short as possible. Alright, we are inside the lab. So we start up. This is the computer. We turn it to the back. We open the motherboard so we can access the network card. Let's see the network adapters. The network adapter is bad, so let's input another network adapter, and this is the one we are going to be making use of. So we plug in the network adapter here into this port by just dragging and dropping, and let's go to cables. We're going to use these let's see, cat 5 cable RJ45. Let's see, is that it? Yep. So we one port, plug in one. Yeah, this is not going to go into this port. The new Ethernet cable is going to this port because the other port is no longer working. And let's see, connect the workstation to local network. After the configuration, confirm the network has its local network and internet. Okay, so what we want to do is just to connect and ensure it has internet. All right, so we go to network and internet. Let's check our answers. Everything seems fine. If this video was helpful, remember to share in other platforms so that other students can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next video.